Hi, I'm Rob. Accidentally deleting files or formatting an SD card is never pleasant, but you can recover your files using data recovery software even if the card has become corrupted. It's best to attempt recovery as soon as possible, as writing new files onto the memory card can cause files to become unrecoverable. The less new data written onto it, the better your chances. There's a few instances where your SD card may have missing files. The files may have been accidentally deleted, the SD card formatted, or it became corrupted or inaccessible. This can happen when there's a power failure while writing to the card. But don't despair, there's still a chance you can recover your files with data recovery software. Whether it's photos, videos, documents, or audio, the EaseUS data recovery app can help you out. There's a free trial available for Windows, Mac OS, and even Linux. Some benefits of the software is its fast scanning speed when searching for files, support for over 1,000 different file types from all sorts of devices, including hard drives, SSDs, memory cards, and USB flash drives. The app has an intuitive interface so you won't waste time trying to figure out how to recover your files, and the professional version has a 30-day money-back guarantee with 24/7 customer support. Okay then, let's recover some missing files. If the SD card is in a device, remove it and insert it into your computer. And if you don't have an SD card reader, you can find USB SD card readers available for purchase online. We're going to use the EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard app to try and recover your files. The first thing we need to do is install the software on your computer. You can download the EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard from the official website, linked in the video description, for your operating system. Run it and follow the prompts to install it. The download size for me is around 80 megabytes, which shouldn't take too long on most connections. Once it's up and running, on the left side you can select the device you want to recover data from or use the advanced features. If you've got the default security settings on your Mac, you'll need to allow the Data Recovery Wizard app access to find your files. Once that's done, the Mac will restart. Okay, now that we're back, select the SD card and press the button. It will now start scanning for recoverable files. Depending on the speed of your SD card and the amount of files, it could take a while, so be patient. Now that the scan is complete, we can start looking for our files. If you know exactly what you're looking for, it's easy to narrow it down. I'm missing some photos, so I'll head to pictures. I know the file type of the photos is JPEG, so I can narrow the search down further, and on top of that, they were high quality photos, around 10 megabytes in size, so I can use the filter to narrow it down further. And here they are. Double clicking will bring up a preview and I can recover this deleted file. You should always recover your data to a separate drive like a USB flash drive, as recovering the files onto the same drive can cause other files to become unrecoverable. And there we have it, simple and easy to use. Some other useful tips. There's a select all toggle to recover all the files shown in one go. If you know the name of the file you're looking for, you can search for it. And you can change the viewing options for the result in the top right corner. Recoverability depends on many factors, but the EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard gives you a good chance of recovering files off the SD card, and the free trial lets you see if it finds the files you're looking for. There's also 1 year and lifetime licenses if you want it for longer. And of course, the best way to keep your data safe is to make regular backups. This can be done to the cloud or other storage device. Remember to safely eject SD cards, don't remove them from devices while the device is on. Also, avoid writing data to the memory card when the battery is low on your device, as it can cause the drive to become inaccessible. And finally, always use high quality SD cards from well-established, reputable brands. That's all for this one. I hope you have success in recovering your lost files off your memory card. If you found this video useful, like and subscribe, and we'll have plenty more good tips in the future. Bye for now.